back to my YouTube channel. This is Learn with Moji. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are part of the family, you are welcome. So today we are in another mathematics clinic class. We have been working with our Ugosugo edition 25, and we'll be going to text 7 today. In case this is the first video you are seeing, we've done text 5, we've done text 6, and now we are going to text 7. Ugosugo is a textbook which Primary 5 and Primary 6 pupils use, and that is what we have been using. So we are going straight to the class now. So without wasting most of our time, please, in case you have the textbook, as I used to say, do well to open it. This is text. We are working with text 7 today, and in case the edition you have is not 25th edition, either 23rd edition or 24th edition, if we are in text 7 in 25th edition, then we will be in text 6 in the 23rd or 24th edition. So any of the edition you have, please bring it out so that we can work together. And in case you don't have any of the textbook, please just be attentive. I will be audible enough while reading the question. So now to text 7, number 1 question says, add 2.04 plus, let me write those figures down. So today is 5th. So text 7. So number 1 says, add 2.04 plus 0.78 plus 23.1 plus 0.6. So these are the figures given, and we are expected to add them together. The number 1 question from this question is the placement of your figure. If the figures are not well placed, there is no way you will get your answer. So when you have this question looking so cheap, but you have to place your figures well. So we've placed the decimal aligned. 8 plus 4, that is 12. We are holding 1. 7 plus 1, that is 8, plus the 1 we are holding, that is 9. 9 plus 6, that is 15. We are still holding 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus the 1 we are holding, that is 4. Then you have your 2. One of the rules here, in case you are seeing my face for the first time, is that we don't use calculator. Kids, we don't use calculator. So this is your answer. And sometimes I don't give final answer, but most of the questions we've been treating, we don't give final answer. So now let's go to number 2. Express 40,709. We have to express this in words. We have so many options. We have 40,179. That is option A, which is wrong. 40,079. That is wrong. We have 40,079. That is wrong. For option D, we have 40,709, which is the answer. 40,709. So that is that. Number 3 question. Hassan went to market. He spent 5 naira. Let's know how much he spent. Number 3, he spent 5 naira 15 kobo, and add 1 naira 45 kobo left. How much money did he take to the market? He have spent this and still having this. Having 1 naira 45. So the question is, how much did he went to the market in the first place? All you have to do is the money remaining with the money he have spent will give us the total money he went with. So 5 plus 5, that is 10. 1 plus 4, 5 plus the 1, 6. Then 5 plus 1, 6. So the total money he went to the market with is 6 naira 60 kobo. Number 4, we have to find the missing number, and we have these 2 missing 9, and we have 1, 6, 5. We are looking for the missing number in that question. We have the answer to be. So when you see a question like this and you are looking for the number missed here, all you have to do is take away this from this. So let's have 424 minus 165. It's not possible to take away 5 from 4. So borrow 1, making 14. 9 away from 5 away from 14. That will give you 9. You are having 1 year left. 11. 6 away from 11, that is 5. You are having 3 left. 1 away from 3, that is 2. So definitely the missing number here is 5, because we have 2 missing 9. So the missing number there is 5. So now we are going to the number 5 question. I'm giving the final answer. Very soon I won't be giving it again. A man bought a chair for 47 naira and sold it for 56 naira. Which of the following statements is correct? Let's take the figures again. He bought it for 74, bought it for 47 naira, and sold it for 56 naira. So these are the options given. He sold it at a loss. He sold it at a profit. He neither gained nor lost. He bought it at a loss. We cannot really say from the information given, but we can say because he bought it for 47 naira and sold it for 56 naira. Definitely he is gaining from what he sold. So the option there is he sold it at a profit. So we are given a diagram here. Let me draw how the diagram looks like. Number 6. Exactly. It's like that. They said, what name is given to the diagram below? For the option, we have triangle, we have square, we have rectangle, we have cylinder, and we have cube. So please, I want to hear the answer from the comment section. These are the options given. Is it a triangle? Is it a square? Is it a rectangle? Is it a cylinder? Or is it a cube? So please, my little champion, let me get the answer in the comment section. And that leads us to number 7. The number 7 says this. What is the average of the 4 numbers? Let's write out the numbers. 103 plus, when we are looking for average, add those numbers together, divided by the number of the item. So we have 103 plus 137 plus 167 plus 193. You add them together and divide it by 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the average of the 4 numbers? 103, 137, 167, and 193. All you have to do is 3 plus 7, that is 10. 10 plus 7, that is 17. 17 plus 3, that is 20. You are holding 2. Let's go to the tens. 9 plus 6, that is 15. 15 plus 3, that is 18. 18 plus the 2 we are holding, that is 20. And 20 plus 0 still give you 20. So we are writing 2, still holding. We are writing 0, still holding 2. Then let's go to the 100. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus the 2 we are holding, that is 6. So we have 600. Let me bring it here. We have 600 over 4. You keep cutting till you can't cut again. 2 here, 2. 2 in 3. 2 in 6, that is 3. And we have it over 2. 2 can still go. 2 here 1, 2 in 3 1, remainder 1, 2 in 10 5, and 2 in 0 is. So our final answer there is 150. We are given another number 8. Express 12,097 in figure. We are given in words, we are to express it in figure. So let's go. 12,000, write your 12,000 first. 90, you have to place your figures well. 7 is unit. So you add it together and you get your answer. This is 7, this is 9, this is 0, this is 2, this is 1. I hope we are together. So that is our number 8 question. So now to number 9 question. We are to simplify 3 whole number 1/8 minus 1 whole number 3/4 plus 4 whole number 1/3. We are to simplify this, but it is given to us in a mixed fraction. So let's take it first to improper fraction. What do you have to do? 8 multiplied by 3, that is 24. 24 plus 1, that is 25/8. You bring down your sign. 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4, plus 3, that is 7. We have 7/4 plus 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. 12 plus 1, that is 13/3. So now we have this. We have 25/8 minus 7/4 plus 13/3. What do we do next? We find the LCM. So what is that figure that 8 will go without remainder, 4 will go without remainder, and 3 will go without remainder? Let's use 24. So 8 in 24 is 3. 3 times this, that gives you 75. You still bring down your sign. 4 in 24, that is 6. 6 multiplied by 7, that is 42. Then we have 3 in 24, that is 8. 8 multiplied by 13, 13 multiplied by 8, that is 103. Sorry, 104. So that is 104. So now we are having this and this. So 75 minus, I just want to finish using it here before going to the next number. So 75 minus 42, that is 33. So we are having 33 minus 33 plus 104. So 104 plus 33, that gives us over 4 over 24, and that gives us 137/24. So you are getting your final answer here. How many times will 24 goes in 137? Then whatever answer you get will be your final answer. Let me know the final answer you get in the comment section. So now we are going to number 10. Number 10 says, if 47 multiplied by 890 is equal to 41,830, what is 4,183 divided by 89? So the first part of the question has been done, which is 47 multiplied by 890, which is equal to 41,830. And the second part says, what is number 10? So we have 4,183 divided by 89. So let's take it. 1483 divided by 89. So how many times will 89 goes in? Is it possible for 89 to go in 4? No. In 41? No. In 418? Yes. So how many times will 89 goes in 418? That is 4. So please finish the answer and let me know in the comment section. So now we have number 11. Which of the following gives the set of all numbers which are greater than 0 and less than 5? The option A we have is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is not the answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is not the answer. We have 2, 3, 4, 5. That is not the answer. We have 3, 4, 5. That is not the answer. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Greater than 0 but less than 5. So 5 is not expected to be in the question. So our number 11 question is E, which is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the question says it must be less than 5. So 5 is not expected to be there. So now to our number 12. If Q over 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. And the question is, what is Q? So we have Q over 4 is equal to what? Is Q over 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. What we have to do here is just this. So that would be Q is equal to 4 times 6, which is equal to 24. And how do we know to get our answer? 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So our Q there is equal to 24, because 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. I hope you get what we have done there. In case you have any question in what we have done so far, please put it in the comment section. Let me hear from my community. So now to number 13 question. The internal measurements of a rectangular tank are 2 meters by 4 meters by 3 meters. What volume of water can the tank hold? Number 13. The formula is length times breadth times height. That's volume. And the first question, the first figure there is 2. 2 by what? By 4. By what? By 3. So what do we do? 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8. 8 multiplied by 3, that is 24. So that's we have our answer there, which is option E. So for number 14, they said express 1.25 as a percentage. 1.25 as a percentage. Anywhere you hear the word percentage is 100. So multiply by 100, which gives us 125%. So that is as simple as that. Number 15 says, I hope you are getting it. Number 15 says express 2 whole number 4 over 5 as a decimal. Let's keep, they said 2 whole number 4 over 5 as a decimal. Let's keep the 2 and deal with the 4 over 5. Then we had our 2 back. So 4 over 5. So we have our 5 being then 4. Can 5 goes in 4? Not possible. They had 0. 5 in 40, that is 8. 5 times 8, that is 40. So what do we do with the 0.8? Add this 2 to it, so it will be 0.8. Where do we place our 2? Is it under 8? No, because our 8 is over 10. And this is the unit, so you are placing the figure here. And 0 plus 2, that gives you 2. And 0. So that is that. We have it as option E. Now to our number 16. Okay, the circle below represents the amount of fruits produced by a farmer. If 0 is the center of the circle and the 3 angles at center are equal. So the way they divided the circle, the whole thing there is equal. What fraction of the fruits produced were oranges? So this is the picture, but let me draw it here. Number 16. don't mind my joy, we have something like this. And the way it was divided, it was equal. So it was equal. The 0 here is the center. And here we have oranges. Here we have purple. We have purple. And here we have mangoes. But don't forget, we are told that they were all divided equally. So the question now is, what fraction of the fruits produced were oranges? Obviously, it is going to be 1/3. I hope you know how we got our 1. But this one is equal. So oranges is 1, purple is 1, mango is 1. So now we go to our number 17. Listen to the question very well in case you don't have the textbook with you. A boy sent a telegram which contains 36 words to his mom. Let's write it. 36 words to mom. Let's leave it like that. If the first 12 words cost 20 kobo, so what we do here is that subtract 12 words from these 36 words, and those first 12 words cost 20 kobo. So let's take 12 away. 12 words is equal to how much? 20 kobo. So if 12 is taken away from 36, what do we have left? We have 24 words left. So they said, and each additional words cost 2 kobo. Additional words cost 2 kobo. And how many words do we have there? We have 24. So now we have 24 times 2. I hope you understand what we are doing here. And that will cost 2 times 4. That is 8. 2 times 2. That is 4. So we are adding. They now said additional words cost 2 kobo per word. How much did he pay? What you have to do is this 20 words plus this. So 2 plus 8, that is 8. 2 plus 4, that is 6. So that is 68 kobo. I hope you understand how we got that. So now to number 18 question. Number 18 says, which of the following is equal to, let's expand the 3 square multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 cube. So let's expand it. 3 square is 3 times 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 in 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it should be 2. 1, 2, 3. So now let's multiply it. 3 times 3, that is 9. 9 times 5 times what? 9 times 5, that is 45. 45 multiplied by 2, that is 90. 90 multiplied by another 2, that is 180. 180 multiplied by another 2, that is 360. Do we have it in our option? Yes. So let's take our number 19. So the number 19 is like the number 16, but this time it is not divided equally. They said the diagram below, which is made up of 8 equal squares, represent the size of the 4 main exports of a country. Let me try and see if I can give you a sketch of the diagram. If that will make it easy for us to comprehend. We have this, which is the granite. We have this, which is the rubber. We have this, okay, don't mind me. We have this, which is cocoa. And we have this, which is oil. Exactly. This is the diagram. I tried. So the first question from that, we are using this diagram to answer 2 questions. So the first one says, which 2 exports were of the same value? Do we have anything that is of the same value here? No. So let's get out the option. Rubber and groundnut. This is rubber. This is groundnut. Are they of the same? No. Groundnut and oil. This is groundnut. This is oil. Are they of the same? No. See, groundnut and cocoa. This is groundnut. This is cocoa. Are they the same shape? No. Cocoa and oil. This is cocoa. This is oil. Are they in the same shape? No. The same value? No. And the question, option E says, no two were the same. And that is our answer. No two were the same. No two were the same. Which is option E. I hope you understand what we've just done. And number 20 question says, what was the ratio of rubber to oil? Rubber to oil. So rubber is looking like half of oil, which is what? Ratio 1 to 2. That means if rubber is 1, oil is times 2 of what rubber is. I hope you have gotten it to this. So I'm going to clean number 1 to number 9 to complete this test. I hope you are enjoying it. And in case you have watched to this stage, you have not subscribed, please subscribe so that anytime we drop relatable topics, you will always be among the first to see it. So I've cleaned this, except. So now we are to our number 21 question. The table below shows the postage rates of some classes of mail. Should I draw it? It's just a question that is there, so I may probably not need to draw it. They say class of mail. Local letter is 5 kobo per letter. Please get those values because we are using it. Number 21. Local letter is 5 kobo per letter. Okay, I think it's better this way. Here letter is 10 kobo per letter, and enveloped letter is 18 kobo per letter. So now let's go straight to the question from that small table. What is the postage of 5 local letters? 5 local letters. That's going to be 5 times 5 kobo. I hope you understand where that is coming from. So the second, the same from the same question, 6 year letters. 6 year letters. And that would be what? 6 times is 10 kobo. Then we have 10 enveloped letter. 10 enveloped letters. And that would be 10 times 18 kobo. So 10 times 5, that is 25 kobo. That is 60 kobo. That is 180 kobo. Don't make the mistake of not placing your figures well. So what do we do to this? We add all of them together. 5 plus 0 plus 0, that is 5. 2 plus 2 plus 6, that is 8. 8 plus 8, that is 16. And we have 2. So we have 265 kobo. And you are taking it to naira. That will be 265 divided by 100, which gives you 2 naira 65 kobo. So that is that for that. Number 22. They said if 5 people can finish 3 cups of rice. I used to say something with a go question. What you have to do first is interpret the question. They are normal 1 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 2 plus 2. But if the questions are not well interpreted, then they will look big. So my young VCs that are watching for me for the first time, just to know that any mathematics question you see, interpret it, bring out the main values in that question and leave the big grammars alone. And with that, you will know that there is nothing so big in it. Mathematics is something we will need even after school. Go to the market, you see people buying and selling them, they still need maths. Sometimes I go to market and I get bad food. You will see people selling petty things and they will be calculating so much things even without using their calculator. It's because they are sound in maths. So it will be fine that you grow up and such people who are not learned begin to cheat you. So take maths as one subject that is not only to be passed, it has to be part of you. And I pray that God will help you. So now they said if five people can finish, let me write it out, can finish 3 cups of rice. 3 cups of rice. How many cups of rice with 35 people? So for 35 people, you don't know how many cups they will eat. So what do we do here? Because multiply. That would be 5x is equal to 35 times 3. Bring out the x from the equation. That would be x is equal to 35 times 3 divided by 5. So you are giving me the final answer in the comment section. How many times will 5 goes in 35? Whatever answer you get, multiply it by 3, and that will give you the number of cups that 35 people will eat. So now to our number 23 question. I hope you are enjoying it. There is another table here. A school timetable is shown below. How many days of the week do they have mathematics? So let me just read it to your hearing. On Monday, they have history, English, geography, maths. That means they are having maths on Monday. On Tuesday, they have science, history, English, geography. Did they add maths on that Tuesday? No. On Wednesday, they have physical education, they have English, they have history, they have maths. That means they have it on Monday, on Wednesday now. Let's go to Thursday. On Thursday, they had it on Monday. They had maths, they had religious knowledge, they had gardening, they have science. So on Thursday, they also have it. Then on Friday, they have physical education, they had English, they had maths again. So it means between Monday and Thursday, they only had mathematics 4 times. So the question is, how many days of the week did they have mathematics? That is 4 days. And the days we are not asked, but the days are Monday. It wasn't offered on Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So now straight to our number 24. And we have to simplify it again. We have the 0.00168 divided by the 0.03. You will be the one to give me the final answer, but I will tell you how to go about this. The 0 can cut 0, fine. This can cut this, fine. So we are left with the 0.168 divided by 3. And I've told you this, you don't jump figures. Even in mathematics, a 0 carries something. So 3 in 0, that is a 0. 3 in 1, it is still a 0, it's not possible. There is 3 in 16, that is 4. I don't want to give you the final answer. So let me just put 5 here, then you give me the last figure. So that is number 24. Let's go straight to our number 25 question now. So I have like 6, 7, 8 questions that I will be expecting the final answer in the comment section. Please do well to send it and let me know if you are actually finishing those questions. And don't forget, it must be without calculator. So now to number 25th question. We are also given a diagram here. P is 300 grams, Q is not given, and R is half kg. Then half kg means was 500 grams. But let's listen to the question. P, Q, and R are masses. P is the smallest, which I called 300 grams. And R is the biggest of the three values. I said R is 1/2 kg. If P is 300 grams and R is 1/2 kg, which of the following is a possible mass for Q? I've said it the other time, Q was not given, but from the value given in number 25, we can work out our Q. So what do you do? Number 25. So 1/2 multiplied by 300. That is 2 here 1, 2 in 30, that is 15, and that is 150. Is that our final answer? No. It will be 300, the smallest, plus this 150 we've gotten, which is equal to 450 grams. So we've worked out our answer ourselves. So if P is 300 grams, our Q, so our Q is equal to 450, and our R is given, which is half kg, which is equal to 5 kilograms. So now to our number 26 question. They said a car uses petrol at the rate of 8 kilometers per liter. 8 kilometers per liter. So how much petrol would a car use for a journey of 72 kilometers? So the number of petrol it will use is unknown. Just like this question we did, that 5 people can finish 3 cups of rice, that how many cups of rice will 35 people eat? So when you see a question like this, just cross multiply. Then when you cross multiply, you are going to be having 8, which is equal to 72 kilometers. So let's bring x out of this. So that will be x is equal to 72/8, which will give you your final answer. Please let me get the final answer in the comments section. So now to number 27. I hope you are enjoying yourself. We are also given another box. And in that box, let me try and draw it. It's not very... So this is what we have in the box. We have this shaded. We have this shaded. We have this shaded. We have this shaded. And the question, let's hear the question. In this figure below, the big square has been divided into 9 equal parts. What is the ratio of the shaded area to the big square, which is PQRS? PQRS. So the question is, what is the ratio of the shaded to the big box? So please, in case I have to draw it, because I won't want you to make a mistake of 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 is equal to 5 or something, or 3. So I won't want to. So the question is the shaded to the big box. So the shaded is 4, 2. The big box, we have 9 boxes there. So the answer is 4:9. So number 28, we are almost done. The question says a mixture contains sand, cement, and water. If 45% of the mixture is cement, 45 is cement, and 39% is what? It's sand. And the question now is, what percentage of the mixture is water? For water, we don't know. Water is unknown. No, I don't want it to look like 7. So what do you do here? Add this together and take it away from 100. Then you get your water. So let's add it together. 5 plus 9, that is 14. We are holding 1. 4 plus 3, that is 7 plus the 1 we are holding, which is equal to 84. So that 84 belongs to the cement and the sand, and the total is 100. So what do you do? It will be 100 minus this 84 that we've gotten. Borrow 1, you're making 10. 4 away from 10, that is 60. Here we have 9 left. 8 from 9, that is 1. So water is what? Water is 16%. So if you should add this 16 with this, we are getting 100%. I hope you get that straight. So now let's quickly move forward. Let me clean the other side to get that solved. Please, in case there is any mixed up question, please do well to put it in the comment section. And in case you have any topic apart from this that you would like me to treat with you, be it average speed, be it temperature, any mathematics topic, please just do it and let's learn together. Nobody knows it all, but at least I can still share some light to it. Now to our number 29 question. A boy was sent to the bank to change 5,605 kobo into 1 naira note. How many naira notes would he bring home? So we know that 100 kobo is equal to 1 naira. And now we have 5,605 kobo. We don't know how many naira the person will be bringing home. So this will be 100x is equal to 5605 times 1. And we know it's the same thing. So that will be x is equal to 5605, because 5,605 times 1 is equal to 5,000 divided by 100. So how many times can 100 goes in this? Give me the final answer in the comments section. And now to our number 30th question. We are going to stop here, and in our next mathematics clinic we will take it up from number 31 to number 50. And let me ask you, I hope you're all enjoying your break, because I'm also enjoying mine too. So our number 30 question: what is the area of the shaded part in the diagram below, given that PQRS is a rectangle? PQ is equal to 12. Let me draw the rectangle. Let me just give you a sketch. So we are told that PQ is equal to 12 centimeter, while QR is equal to 8 centimeter. And what is the formula for finding this? Is length times breadth. So half is going to be 12 times 8. 12 times 8 is what? 96. So we have half. So let me get the final answer in the comment section. I hope you have enjoyed, and if what you have seen is, you really like what you have seen, please share it to others. If you are a parent, you are seeing this, please, you can share it to your kid. And if you are a kid, you are seeing this, please show it to your parents. I love you. See you next in the mathematics class. And very soon we'll be dropping motivational stories. It's going to be in form of storytelling, but it will be motivational stories and inspirational stories. So see you in the next motivational or inspirational story. I love you.